Hello everyone. If you want to add text or image as watermark in your Google Docs, following these steps. First, open your document and on the top, click on Insert. From this menu, click on Watermark. Now, in your right side, you see Watermark section with two tabs, Image and Text, which mean you can add image or text as watermark. And in the following step, we will review both of them. First, image. For add image, click on select image. Now, from your computer with upload or other ways like photos, Google Drive, import your photo. For example, I upload from my computer, select image, click on open. As you see, my image was added to my document as watermark. In your right side, in formatting section, you can change a scale. For example, you can choose one of these. I choose 50%, and by default, faded was selected, and you can turn off or turn on. Also, from more image option, you can change your image. Click on it. You can change adjustment, include capacity, brightness, and contrast based on your needs. From position, click on it. You can change the image position based on your need. Choose one of them. And from size rotation, click on it. You can change the size, increase or decrease your size. Or from rotate section, you can rotate your image as you see. Also, you can add angle, for example, 10%, as you see. Now, close the image option section. After that, click on done. As you see, we add watermark to our document in every page. If you want to delete or edit the watermark, again click on Insert and click on Watermark. If you want to change image, click on Edit Image icon and import your image again or from other ways. Also, you can change scale, faded, and more image option. If you want to delete your watermark, click on Remove Watermark. As you see, our watermark was deleted. Also, we can add text as watermark. For that, click on Insert again, click on Watermark, and this time click on Text tab. In first box, add your text. For example, as you see, our text add to our document as watermark. In formatting section, you can change the font. For example, I choose this font. In this section, you can change the font size. Also, you can change the font style, bold, italic, and from this section, you can change the color. For example, I choose this one. And also, you can change the transparency based on your needs, or change the watermark format or placement. As default, behind text was selected, you can choose in front of text. Based on your needs, choose one of them. After that, click on Done. As you see, we add text as watermark in our document. Again, if you want to edit or delete your watermark, click on insert, click on watermark, and now you can change the text or watermark or other change. If you want to remove, click on remove watermark. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.